Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna give you cinematic teal and orange preset or the LUT file for your videos as well as your photos in Photoshop. So all you're gonna do is just download this FP cinematic teal and orange AVC 2020 preset, that is cube LUT file, from the link in the description. Now let's open up the Premiere Pro and we're gonna color grade this video footages. Right, so as you can see, this is a raw footage. Now just go to the window, select the lumetric colors from here and just go to the creative and select browse, and just browse that preset or the LUT file which I have given you. So you can just download that link. Link is in the description. So here is the FP cinematic teal and orange AVC 2020. Now when you will open, you can see the difference, guys. The photo is totally looking so perfect. Here is the before and here is the after. The video is literally looking so perfect and amazing, exactly for you if you want to create an amazing cinematic look, or else you can want to create an amazing effect to your, just like a Hollywood film. Then you can use this LUT file to color grade your videos as well as photos in your video editing game, whether in your Premiere Pro, After Effects, or whatever software you are using. Now let's jump to the computer, Photoshop, and we're gonna install this same preset. So stay tuned until the last video, until the video ends. Now we're gonna install this in our Photoshop. All you're gonna do is just right click on it, select copy, go to my computer, go to the C drive, select the program files, go to the Adobe and select the Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. Now whatever version your Photoshop is, go to the preset, select the 3D LUTs and just paste that preset over here and just hit continue. As you can see, FA cinematic teal and orange AVC 2020. Now restart your Photoshop. Let me just close the Photoshop. Alright, so now I'm gonna just restarting my Photoshop and we're gonna test some of the example photos with the help of Photoshop and see how the preset is actually looking. So let me take some of the example photos. So here are some of the photos which I have chosen recently for my testing editing game. So let's just open up this photograph, just drag it and drop over Photoshop. So let's start with this. Go to the color lookup. From here just select the FP cinematic teal and orange. Here is the AVC 2020. So as you can see the difference, here was the before and here is after. It's literally looking so perfect. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos and presets and LUTs just like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe, guys. And if you still not visited our website, it is www.ashvircreations.com. just go and visit out there. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and visit my second website, that is filterpreset.com. Just have ashvircreations on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.